You're not looking at anything.
I'm looking straight.
You are looking straight. Since you are looking straight now, let me talk to you about 1xBet. 1xBet is the best and most reliable betting platform. You get 200% on your first deposit. Have you heard about 1x games? 1xBet is not just about betting, no. They have 1x games. Only available to 1xBet members. They have unique games. Use my promo code MOMMY and you get 700,000 and 150 free spins. Have you heard about the hyper bonus feature? If you place an accumulated bet on 4 or more events, you have 250% reward. Do you know? Babe, you are still looking straight.
Yes.
Babe, please let me pass that drink.
Yes!
Babe, I just knew you were going to look. Your eye cannot stay and not see woman. Your eye cannot just stay one place. Your eye must follow a woman. What's your problem?
Don't look now.
It's not your problem. Babe, is it because I don't have behind? Is it because I don't have? I told you to what? I told you to pick something and then you now use the opportunity. You now use the opportunity to look at Anyash. Babe, where is this relationship heading to? Just let me know. If you know you are not ready for this relationship, just let me know. You were looking at Anyash. I saw you. I'm going home. Babe, you not follow me, oh.